Hi Max,
Hey Frank,
how you doing?
perfectly fine for a Monday evening.
It's been quite some time since our last stream
Again,
again, but we did something in between off stream
yes,
a little
yes,
bit,
offline.
not much, but a little bit.
I would say a lot.
Yeah, we decided on what to do today.
We have we have never planned so much for any episode.
Yeah, everybody can see that right now as well, right? So be aware of that.
Why?
And
No, not on my screen.
on my screen, so
Yeah, we need to like mingle that together in the near future.
yeah, so
Because
sometimes yeah,
on my stream only you and I are visible.
yeah. Since you're seen screen sharing, it just went into that, so I could also say. Let's do it that way then. But okay. Tell me when shall switch over on my stream, Max, so
Now,
that I know. Perfectly planned. Works like a charm.
it's like a PowerPoint, well orchestrated PowerPoint, right? Can you please click next slide.
I don't know what evil languages you are speaking with PowerPoint. Don't talk about it.
That will go away. ChatGPT will replace PowerPoint.
Yeah, true.
Okay, maybe let's talk a little bit about our new side project that we want to build on this stream.
Side project? I thought it was our main project.
Yeah, one of the side projects, and if you only have one,
it's the main project, right? So apart from work, we are doing this.
It leaves this open, right? One of the side projects. It sounds better than the only project.
True. Sounds like if we have if we are doing a lot, yes. If we really doing a lot.
We do. This is also really big.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the architecture we came up in the first session, right? Can you explain
Maybe.
it to me?
So,
yeah.
we want to solve one pain point that I also feel we struggle a lot with. Once we do the Twitch stream or any stream,
yeah,
like downloading the stuff, putting it on our website, nicely summarize it, also upload it to YouTube to our channel, and all of the follow-ups that you should do to increase your reach and make it easier to access the stuff that you created before. And for this, yeah, of course, we want to automate all of this and use Azure services in the most efficient way to make our lives easier.
Yes. And so I think we in the first session we found out that this is a funny use case because we are leveraging all the public cloud, the big cloud providers. I mean, we could put an Oracle database and something mainframe in there maybe as well to have some niche cloud providers in there as well. So, but
cloud.
Yeah. Let's not go into that. So please be aware, this stream is our own opinion, and it's just our own opinion. But since Twitch and all that is running on AWS, we're using Azure to transform it and ChatGPT, and then output it to somewhere on Google and YouTube. Which is funny. So we're putting something from one cloud provider and the other cloud provider with the third cloud provider. If this isn't cloud, a multi-cloud, then what isn't? So, yeah, and last time I think we brainstormed a little bit off stream what kind of things do we need to do in the future, and we had a couple of things that came up, right? So we need to talk to all the different APIs. I think that's important, right? So to integrate it, and I think that the SDK usage will grow over the time. So we want to separate each and everything. But first of all, I think for today, I would say our main goal for today is to first have a look into Twitch and get the videos that you have in your Twitch VODs. Get a list from that. Maybe just put it on a simple web page or something where we can put a checkbox next to that to put them into a table. And when you put the checkbox and say upload or download, that it gets put somewhere locally, or even it depends on how much time we are doing today, how far we come, so that we can, in the end, it should end up in some storage in Azure, right? Because this would,
storage.
Yeah, this was for most Twitch streamers that are not partner. The VOD thing is sometimes a little bit hard because they have kind of, I think, 60 days maximum of when they expire. So then you don't have them anymore. And so the first thing would be to archive it. So that this is kind of like part of the use case, but also solving already a problem for each and everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So before we started, we kind of already created an application inside Twitch. So the Twitch API is accessible via tokens, etc. And there's two different ways of doing that. So what we leverage here is something that is called OAuth, right? What does OAuth actually mean? OpenID authentication?
OpenAuth, I would say.
Is this OpenAuth? I've never looked it up. Actually, it's funny that's one of the words you always use, and you never think about what actually stands behind those words. And so it's something that is kind of a standard, I would say, nowadays, right? So
yep.
There's two different ways of doing that, or three, right? So as you can see here, the implicit grant flow. So when your app doesn't do an authentication, if you don't have a backend in the background,
JavaScript stuff.
Yeah, JavaScript or mobile app, then it's implicit grant flow. The authorization code grant flow is if the app server uses something in the background, right? So so that you can one time store a secret for your application, and the application can access Twitch via the API. And there's the third one, and this is something for the future, I think, right? So the client credentials grant flow. So for each client that logs in, it saves their individual token. So we don't want to give them, each and every client, a token from our side so that they can access our Twitch backend or our Twitch VODs. That would be not necessary, because each user that will log in the future into our app sees their own videos and has that in their own context, right?
Yeah. But I think we need to use the middle one
at the moment.
So right now we want to use this one because that's the easiest one to register. And in the long run, we want to use this one where the user then signs into Twitch and gives us authorization to pull his videos.
Yeah, okay, true. I'm mixed in. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So it's just the inverse order.
Yeah,
and so then we do not need username, password, whatever, but we use this grant to then list the videos and give the checkboxes, or potentially also like have long running automations to like do this once a new video pops up. Yeah, which would be cool. So yeah, let's try and make it work and see how we get the token, and then also like pulling down the stuff that we need.
Yeah, so at the moment what we would do today is the client credentials grant flow, right? So you just have one access.
Yep.
and use
So
that.
that's basically the left side here, getting Twitch
Yeah.
to work and then
Yeah.
do something with it.
Yeah. So the goal would be today to access the Twitch API, get a list of your videos that you have there, and get kind of the downloads for each video. So while you show that, you can also see here what we have in mind for the future. So we are looking into leveraging Azure B2C as in there, so business to consumer. So
let me open the whiteboard again. Yep.
Yeah. So that that means, in general, it means that you as a user can, in the end, log in into your app and have multiple ways of logging in. For example, Microsoft account, Google account, Facebook account, whatever, Twitch account even. The best one would be the Twitch account. You can click on the Twitch account. It makes a request to Twitch. It says, hey, yeah, that user is fine. And then gives it back, and you get also logged into your application. Yeah. But this is something for the future, right? We need to work on that. I think the authorization flows and authorization contexts, all that. We need to work on that. Perfect.
All right, let's get
Twitch. Let's get cracking.
work.
Yeah. So while I said that on your stream, you didn't show it.
You are right. Let me switch over.
We're getting a little bit rusty after all this time. So if anybody wants to see it, we will put it on our webpage, AzureTechTalk.net.
Yeah. Is it working?
Yeah, I hope so. You always do the wrong thing and look after we started the streaming. So and then if it's not
That's
working,
why we take your video, because you are the expert. But yes, the last one is from January 19th.
Yeah, that was the last time we spoke. Yeah, so this year, at last, at least it is this year. We are so good. We almost have consistency here. So once a year is also consistency, but that's not really the consistency we are aiming for.
Alrighty.
So
we agreed on doing .NET, right?
Yes. Whatever works best with you. And I think .NET is quite versatile in that.
Okay.
I think we should... should we separate it into different subfolders in our GitHub repository?
Yeah, but let's make it work and then
put
it, extract it to modules or whatever we want to do.
Yeah, because I think we need, in the end, we said we want to separate it on a microservices architecture. I think then we need to have different parts in there.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So, hello world, first application written. Thank you for watching. No, I'm just joking.
Does it work?
Nah, I don't think so. Does it? I could be already working.
Hello world. Program exited.
Yeah. Woo.
First launch experience is great. But we also need to get rid of all the binaries and whatnot.
Yeah.
.NET new git ignore.
That's cool that .NET can do that right away and create.
Files.
Yeah, I'm always struggling with other stuff that I put into my GitHub repository, and if I forget to, when I create the repository to say, okay, this is, for example, a Terraform repository, I always forget. I mean, I could write the git ignore for myself. It's not that hard, but kind of annoying. So what we already did in the background, we created an application inside Twitch. So there's a developer console in Twitch which each and every one of you can access. And we created an application there and just said, okay, give me the token and So to not expose it on stream here, we already put it into environment variables that we will pull now. So and we hope we
here
expose
it's
nothing.
just
Yeah.
a Twitch client.
Okay.
What is a Twitch client?
So Max, as usual, is using Copilot and
TwitchLib. Chat Whisper API PubSub library.
I don't think that's the.
All publicly accessible data as well, modified Twitch service lab profiles and streams.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's not publicly accessible, right? We have the private stuff.
But it goes over public access, right? I don't know how it's meant.
Yeah, let's see. So
Is something that is maintained by Twitch? No, it's TwitchLib. Is it an official library here?
I don't know. Games undocumented. I don't see. Oh, videos here.
But we should maybe have a look into.
But maybe we don't need it. If this is just REST, we can. But it's actively maintained. TwitchLib.
Where's the coding? Somebody, it needs to be said who does it, right?
Say again.
Under the standards and naming and all that, you need to there needs to be somebody maintaining that in there, right? So
yeah.
So is it set somewhere?
Who the contributors are?
Yeah. So I think it's community driven, right? I mean.
It's a lot.
Okay, contributors. Okay. Bitch chat sharp, but I don't think we use that, right?
Mm-hmm. No, I think it doesn't fit because it doesn't allow us to download the Twitch videos.
Yeah. Let's have a look into which API referent. So getting videos. Display a list of videos. We're doing curl here. I think we just need HTTP client handlers, right?
Mm-hmm. And we need to add, what is this? Headers? Client parameters.
Mm-hmm.
Does it work as header?
Sorry?
Yeah, we have it.
So looking at the Twitch API. So we need to get the videos, right? So authorization bearer is the client ID, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
Get
then
videos by the
exactly. And I think in the answer that would be coming from the, what do we get in the response body?
yeah, something like this. Something like this.
Yes.
What you can see on my screen, right?
Yeah.
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 Okay.
I tried to find out how we get the video then from that.
By the ID, right?
I'm not sure if there's actually something that can make you download the video then, because I
think
don't.
there was a URL to get the video. Then
Yeah, and I'm looking in the response body and how to, if that is in there. Don't scroll that much, please. Makes
Sorry.
me nauseated. Because it's always a little bit stuttery.
Yeah.
Don't know. Okay.
Yeah, but if they allow embedding videos and clips, this must be. Yeah, but this is the public stuff, right? For more information, see video on demand.
You could ask Bing.
Mm-hmm. Or ChatGPT.
Huh? Sorry?
Yeah, Bing or ChatGPT for
ChatGPT.
writing the code.
ChatGPT. I'm not sure if the data in ChatGPT is quite old, so could have changed.
Yeah, the API is also quite old. How is it in Twitch? Is it automatically published if you do a stream?
You can set that. That it's an option that you can set in your profile. So you can set it to automatically publish it, or you can have it as private. Then you see it on your dashboard if you access your Twitch dashboard, and then you have to. Okay.
But we last time did here the ellipsis button and then clicked on download, and then the 2.5 gigabytes were downloaded, right?
So if you have the authorization for your video, you should get a response for that video, right? So
yeah, let's try this. We haven't done it this far. So we have the token, and then let's get. We go back.
So API twitch.tv Helix videos and then the ID, and then you should with the authentication you should be able to access that video via the ID, right?
Getting videos. This is what I wanted to do. Getting videos first by broadcaster. So that would be in this case my ID, and then see what outcome we get.
Yeah. Can you go to your dashboard?
How? Twitch TV?
Twitch.tv/dashboard. And if you then go, got it, muted, okay. If you go into content, you have then here the video producer. And here you see your applications. You can even I think there's also a way to upload content here, but this kind what you're looking for. You would see the video of today, and this is already still broadcasting. That's the reason it's set to broadcasting, and you would then we would need to get that. So my problem is at the moment. Let me have a look at my dashboard, and maybe I will give you a new. We need to do a new secret and all that because
because I do not have a video.
Yeah. I want to see if is there a way to upload something here. So I can choose to upload here. If you go to the video producer, I have a button that says upload, and I think that's because I'm an affiliate. Let me quickly upload something there. Yes. Because I also have unpublished videos here.
Drive more engagement with stickers.
Did you HTTP?
No close.
Just
no, without without the S.
Okay. Okay. We should hide our screens, right? I need to give you the secrets, and you need to put them into your environment.
Yeah, I have two screens, so.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Let me get that one. So this is the client ID. Let's see.
Alrighty. I think I need to restart my VS Code.
Perfect. So now you should be able to access my videos.
Let me put a breakpoint here. But I'm not doing this on the main screen. Chop. Yep, it gave me a response. Yep, it gives me an access token.
Okay, perfect. So you good. So that is working. Perfect. Let's first make a very pure.
Maybe
Sorry, what?
maybe we cache this token to not do this all the time
Yeah.
with the same approach. So let me go back. Not sure how many tokens we can request before this things. But yeah, let's find out. So what we get is exactly what they mentioned here
Yeah.
in the developer documentation where it came from.
Yeah.
Here, this one.
Yeah, we get a token that is valid for 1 day, right? And this
Yeah.
is kind of like a bearer token, right?
We make our life easy. This is of course not our token.
Okay, so you just created an object, which is kind of like the token that we can then access and
then we
work with.
can pass this into but it doesn't want me to use JSON convert. Just the new one. This should actually work.
I think you didn't. Maybe you need to import.
I mean, like a using.
Yeah.
Nope.
That help in any way?
Nope. Is a serializer.
Ah, okay. That's a new one. Okay.
Alrighty. So we have this guy here. This is the Twitch token. And it has the access token in it. And then next up, we want to send this to the API, right?
Mm-hmm.
Get a list of videos from Twitch. Hey, this thing can predict the future.
So
yeah,
actually,
like this.
Just to let everyone know, so this is good GitHub Copilot, right? So and GitHub Copilot in the background also uses models that are used in OpenAI.
Yeah, OpenAI Codex.
Yeah, the Codex one. So
what's
that
your
nobody
user
gets.
ID?
My user ID. Do you want it?
Mm-hmm.
Can't you find it out with the token?
Potentially, but I don't know.
Should we even need to use it? Can't you can you go to the API definition? I think there's a way to just directly get the video.
Videos?
Yeah, the video ID.
Why did I see Twitch API and then videos, right?
Yeah.
Videos.
And I think you can then say the ID. So a list of IDs and that you want to get more than one video, include this parameter for each video. So do we just need to put the ID? So user ID, that is just every video of one user.
But it's required.
Is it required? Ah, okay.
Mm.
Can you
Either user ID or game ID?
Can we fetch the user ID from the API response?
Yeah, potentially not with this token, because it's an add token, not the.
Yeah. So I will give you my user ID. How can I find it out? be very careful with.
No, there's nothing on it.
Let me check. Which channel ID and user? There's actually a page for that. Which user ID? Which username? So I will send it to you. This is, or I can say it to you. 31.
Wait. The user. Okay.
31 04 8149.
Okay. Good.
Yeah. So how many digits is that? 8, right?
3, 6, 8. Yep.
Yours has 9.
Like comparing your ICQ number.
A little bit, and you really catched it right away. Nice, Max. Nice, Max.
1, 2, 3,
but you
6,
cannot.
8.
But you cannot battle my ICQ.
This is my ICQ.
Yeah. So mine is right. Mine below that. 255.
Oh, that's it. That's short.
No. 229 316. That's it. So.
Not bad.
I was under the. I think that was that even a million? I think yeah. So in the first 10 millions. Digo.dice Max.
Now, what do we need to send? Client ID and authorization.
Hi Tom, how are you doing? Sorry, I saw your message really late. We were deeply with our arms into the Twitch API.
Does this root something? Yep. All right.
Does it swiggle?
Would be null.
Okay. So we need to initialize it or something.
Or say, go away, squiggly line.
Ignore. / ignore.
It's like in Word, add to dictionary. Send the request. Yes. Now we can show the request, right?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens.
You're banned from Twitch.
Suspicious activity.
Okay.
We got so far. That is good. No data.
Yeah. Access token. Okay. Yeah. What does it say in the response string? It would say.
Lots of data of the videos of you, right?
Yeah.
But is this API showing widths?
Tom, you work with the Twitch API? PC part shopping, Tom. And here comes the secret weapon. And watch out with the WhatsApp.
Yeah, I'm not opening. No worries.
What is it now? Tom, what version is it now? Okay. So actually, what we want to do is kind of like just we have a application authentication at the moment, and we want to access the videos that the user has, even the ones that are not listed and not published, and say, give me the list of the videos, and in the end we want to download the videos. Then needs to be a way to do that. Is Helix the current Twitch API?
ChatGPT also says it's Helix.
Yeah, but the ChatGPT is old. ChatGPT is 2 years old.
Yeah, if you do not have insufficient permissions, then it will also be empty.
Okay. I can have a look at the token I have. I think there could be that I need to say permissions on that, right? But it should have. I can't specify the permissions. Normally, you could maybe say for some.
This is for the user tokens.
Yeah.
You can say grants.
You
Like,
mean that you think the application tokens all have all implicit?
Should.
Good. Okay. It's weird because I know also enterprise applications there where you or app registrations where you can say different set of permissions. Do we get a response? What
Yeah.
and what does it say in the response?
Success 200.
Okay, so that should have worked, right? But it didn't get any videos.
Yep.
So wait a second. Twitch API access unpublished videos.
The Twitch API get videos endpoints does not return unpublished videos.
Okay, so they need to be published. Let me publish it and let have a look if then there's something in the body, okay?
Mm-hmm. This thing is just amazing.
Amazing. the backend UI, I say publish, and it says nope. Take some time. It's funny, I say on publish, I click on publish and it doesn't do a thing. So it asks me, should I publish it? And it says, it asks, do you really want to publish it? Now everybody can see it publicly. And I say yes, and nothing happens.
Still empty.
Weird. Let's have a look. Do it that way. Yep. Okay. Have a look now. And Twitch UI is broken in the backend. There's a button, publish all videos, and that one works.
It works.
Okay, perfect.
And here we have the URL with the video, right?
Yeah.
All right. So we would need to have code that downloads this.
Yeah. Shouldn't that point to some storage? Oh.
Yeah, maybe later. Let's download it first.
No. The storage where the video is residing on Twitch end.
No, it just had the URL.
Okay. So okay.
So let's use the same trick. Stitch API, videos, blind. And this is the response. JSON to C#. Yeah, actually do not need all this stuff, but let's keep it for now.
I think what we are doing is against Twitch TOS.
Why?
It's funny. They are not exposing a download thing, and I think every so I just reading through that, every tool that does that is against the TOS. So normally that should be.
But why is there like Twitch download CLI that we used last time?
I think that's also violating that.
Maybe it's because out of the user context, they do not care.
Yeah, it's funny, but I don't find any way to there's all the different stuff. So it's funny because they're giving you the option to download your own video, right?
But yeah, humans need to do it.
Okay, so access token. Okay, 1 second. I'm just looking for something.
But if it's public, do they care? Is that against their terms?
It's weird, right? So there is something that Twitch TV API, Azure Twitch. It's why it's Azure BB on Helix, right? So what?
Mhm.
So all video URLs for live streams are packed into M3U playlist. You can request this file by following with the following API. I can send you that. Okay. Do you have with the new Edge sometimes the problem that you can't copy stuff right away?
Mm-mm.
Oh, this is hacky. Okay. I wonder if there's an legal way to do that. What we want to do. Hi, Margaret. Marge Thompson. Yes, we're trying to have a look at if we can if we are able to download videos from the Twitch API. You know what a funny workaround could be? There's a way to export your video, I think, to YouTube in the background. And I'm not sure. So I think downloading videos from YouTube is the thing. Downloading YouTube videos is against the terms of service. Why is everybody... maybe our use case for our application is kind of bad.
The data is gone again. Did you unpublish the video?
No. No, I didn't. Can you try again?
With a push of a button, I can do this. Hey, come on, now it works. Ah, it's flaky.
Flaky APIs? Okay, you got the title and also the URL.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Interesting. So seems to be
not so wanted what we do.
Yeah, it's wanted, but they don't allow it from the endpoints of from the standpoint of the
APIs.
From the API.
But let's imagine we do this and the user downloads the video and uploads it.
Yeah.
Like download here on the left, upload on the right.
Yeah. You mean the manual step on there? I don't know why this is any different to. So if you just reduce it to your own context, so you cannot. I can only access my own videos, and I can push a download button in the dashboard. I can't imagine that that's against the TOS to do it for other channels, so that you can download all the sources for themselves.
Mm-hmm.
But if you can do it from the dashboard, how could?
Yeah, they want to avoid that you clone all the videos. They want to be the place, I assume.
But they're deleting it because they want to get rid of the space. If you're an affiliate, so what is the point here?
That's why we can't have nice things.
Yeah, it's
But yeah, maybe let's put some thought into this. Yeah, but like, do you want to continue with like a locally available file?
Yeah, so uploading to YouTube, it's not against that TOS. So let's just make it so. Let's scratch Twitch. Let's do YouTube.
Whatever it is.
Yeah. So, because uploading is not against TOS, at least not on YouTube. So
but how would you like enrich your video, like in an automated fashion, also on Twitch to have better quality on Twitch, better discoverability and all this? So, do they really want us to do this ourselves?
what do you mean? Please explain.
Getting the audio of we need the audio of the Twitch stream to like parse it, send it to ChatGPT or whatever, to get a meaningful summary.
Yeah. That we could do. We could say, let's just pretend we have the video somehow. If it's manually downloaded or something. So let's take one of the videos.
Yeah, this one.
You'd already downloaded one, right? That's the current one. It's still streaming.
Oh, interesting. So you published the current one?
Yeah. So it was unpublished, and I published it, and now you can rewind back in time and watch our mistakes from the past. Hey, you can give
thumbs up. Yeah, baby, here you can have it.
All the money. Give me all the money. No. Yeah. As I said, every income to this channel goes to an organization, charity organization of my choosing. So, nothing for me from this channel, please.
No, you can have it.
So, let's think about... So let's pretend we start with a video. I think we downloaded a video last time, right?
I did.
Do you still have it?
No. It was like 2.5 gigs and I'm running low.
What's going on, Max? 2 point something gigs? You should have told me.
Maybe. Christmas is coming and then I'm getting some of the new fancy drives.
Yeah. I haven't asked for that.
I don't.
Obviously.
So I have a cloud.
You have a cloud? With T or with D?
With D.
Okay. Yeah, so let me extract the voice file of... I have all the videos from our streams in the past. I have them locally. So I would need to just get the audio from that. You could have... did you still have the... I think it's in the repository.
The YouTube stuff can also not be downloaded, right? Easily.
Yeah. Same approach. I don't know why... That's weird. So I can understand if you do that for people. So if you have videos on YouTube, I can understand that nobody else should download this. But if you have a valid bearer token and a valid access token for your own videos, I have the feeling that that should be possible and not against TOS.
You even have music here. Nice.
Yeah, I always have video music running. So let's fire up. Does this work? Oh no. FM pack FFmpeg.
I have the command in the README if you like also only want to have the audio.
Yeah.
I put it in the chat for you.
Can I do that from a Windows console because I don't have a VSL console?
Yep.
Then I would send you the output. I think that would be bearable, right? It shouldn't be too big. 1 second, give me a real quick second here. Download.
Yeah, so last time we fiddled with this, and coming back to the high level architecture, we used an video indexer in Azure to like extract the text out of the videos. So that was quite cool. And it has the requirement to upload 16-bit, 16 kilohertz mono audio files. And this FFmpeg command gave us the file exactly in the format, and it was like tiny in comparison to the video. So shrinking it down will also make this faster and cheaper.
Which is a good thing.
Always.
Still amazes me about the approach from Twitch and YouTube. I'm a bit surprised by that. Yes, so I can understand the generate, but to say for each and everyone, no. So if we look at normally when you do it as a cloud as a company, right? So if you create content, you should be able to own your content as well. So and do whatever you like with that. So that standpoint, I don't get that approach. Weird. Didn't I download just something? Is it in here? Max, do you have any video that has some spoken language in there?
No.
Because at the moment I have the problem, I don't have FFmpeg.
Chocolate. Do you have it?
Yeah.
Choco Inst FFmpeg.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, should be root for that. Right?
Say again?
I should be root for that.
Yes. Admin.
Yeah. Go install. So how long do you want to go today?
Yeah. Yes, my kid is sick. Not too long. because I have the feeling that this will be a short night again.
Again.
And I hear him coughing.
Okay.
So let's close this down soon.
Okay. All fine
And
for me.
download this video for next time, so we have some material to work with.
Yeah, let me get you. Maybe we can. Let me have a look at CD videos. I will get you one audio file right now. Let's create that one, and we can maybe even check it into GitHub. Shouldn't be too big.
If it's not too big, then
yeah,
less than 100 megs will be fine.
have a look here.
But the mono stuff should be 16-bit, should be very small.
So there's a small one here. FFmpeg input that file and okay. Running. Okay. Yeah, output 31 megabyte.
Easy.
Easy. I will put it.
Put it in the Git.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Let me commit my stuff. Initial auth to Twitch. Okay.
Yeah, give me a second.
I'm still amazed how easy it is to write code. Like this here.
Did you
like
commit?
All of this worked. Yeah, I did, and pushed. All of this worked on the first try. Like no exceptions, no nothing. And yeah, looking back, writing this live on stream, yeah, without error. Yep. Our new AI superpowers are just amazing. And also, like when I asked like ChatGPT in between, hey, can I do this? And it says, nope, you cannot.
Okay.
We can also, let's try, is it allowed to automatically see? It even parsed the terms of services.
You could reach out to Twitch.
Let's reach out to Twitch directly for guidance.
Yeah.
Because I think it's also what we are doing is for archival purposes, right?
Yeah. We have given the user something that works only for their own videos, right? So, and it's something that
which writes back to Twitch to make the content better.
Yeah, exactly, and make the reach bigger. So I pushed the output rough, and you should see it in your.
Yep.
Perfect.
There we have it.
Okay, so let's wrap it up here for this time.
What is this? 60 minutes.
It was a short video. add one short video.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I hear my own voice.
Yeah.
So. Cool beans. We got further than I expected because the stuff just worked.
Yeah, so at least that worked. So we have a start here. So let's just make it so let's then, if we don't have Twitch as an endpoint, uploading to YouTube is fine. We should do that automatically. It's funny. Give us give us your data, but don't get it back easily. So let's just then and the next time work on the summarizing. That we do, like, hey, we have a video file locally, we put it up and we summarize it somehow.
Yeah, first get the text out of it, like the subtitle.
Yeah, I think I think the service we wanted to use can do that all in once, right? So
yep,
yeah,
but
first of all, the text, yes, and that's two different services. Yeah, let's first get the text out of the file, and
to
then
get the summary.
Yeah, exactly, and then put that somewhere else for the summary. I think for summarizing, there's also already a cognitive service, right?
I'm not sure.
I think so.
I was like eyeing on GPT-4.
Okay, GPT-4 is in preview.
It is in preview, but because of the bigger tokens that you can send, like 35,000 tokens that you can send in one go, it becomes feasible to do summaries.
Okay, yeah. Then yeah, maybe have a look at that if you can use it in that. I think I think we can for education purposes we can use that. I think it's not a closed it's public, right? Public preview.
Yeah, yeah. And you get free credits to play with it. Because otherwise I learned it becomes really expensive.
Yeah?
You pay per token.
Okay.
And if you have 35,000 tokens because you talk a lot on stream, or the stream is lengthy, then yeah, it could become expensive. But yeah, let's look into this next time.
Add 3 cents per 1,000 tokens. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So then I would say let's wrap it up. Bye everyone. Nice to find out what we can do and what we can't do. Also good to find out.
See you in 2 weeks.
Yeah, see you in 2 weeks. Have a good one, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.